He got me.
Me too.
See, if we know what I know now, we put a rubber band on that. So if Mom was using it, shit. But make sure you hide the boards and shit, even the wooden paddles. And
Yeah,
stuff.
no
Make sure you
shit.
hide all that shit.
Make sure you're not it. Okay, so all the junk's gone through since the water's been turned off.
Run hot water
It's
and
not bad for $70 or $80 or whatever.
not bad at all.
There you go.
Changes out the leaky faucet.
Yeah. Kind of strange how everything's starting to like need replaced all of a sudden. I think Dad's around here. You guys
This needs replaced for a while now.
A long ass time, a good 5 years, and Dad goes, "Oh, it's fine. It ain't
Yeah.
leaking."
Hey now, you got a nice shiny chrome faucet. You need to keep it nice, clean, fingerprint free.
Let me get the wax. Let's go out to the garage and get the turtle wax
We
and
gotta-
wax that thing up.
Yes, I definitely agree.
Definitely.
We need to scrape this off. Yeah. You got a screwdriver?
No.
Let's see. Well, this has got to be cleaned off. Usually I take a screwdriver, point straight. Let's see if this works. Yeah, this will work. Smeared in. I need some paper towels though.
Okay. I'm a little wet.
Dryer ones. I got Joe that way. We replaced mine. Mine was spitting water all over the place, just like this. Turn. I got it all together and I had it. Mine's got a bigger thing on it. But it's like Joe's like, hey, it's like, hey, it works. Okay. Yeah. It's not bad.
I like nice and shiny.
Seeing that stuff, you get that Works tub and shower cleaner.
Yeah.
And that's eat that right off without even
Oh, okay.
out the Ace. That's the only place you can get it
Yeah.
because they make it or something. They got the patent on it.
Like something Grandpa had on spices and shit and put his name on it.
I know, right?
Yeah, that was a private.
Yeah. I got one of them though, but Kenny had a lot of them.
All right, bud. The rest of it's yours.
Yep.
Keep her shined up like you're a fast hot rod car. You may.
Well, thanks for watching.